Now that we have a template page saved, we can start to add information about their own websites. We are going to add some links to the top navigation bar, which sits just below the header. We will do this using a table. Using a table to lay things out is not an ideal way to work in web pages, but will work fine for a single row in our header. We're going to use some of the tools supplied by Microsoft Expressions rather than typing specific code, but we will use the split view to keep an eye on the code that is generated. We're going to take the nav section and replace the text category links go here with a table that stretches all the way across the page. This table is going to be one row tall, but it needs to have one link for home and one link for each category of item that you sell in your shop. In my shop, I will be selling cats, dogs, rabbits, and hamsters. So I'm going to insert a table for home, cats, dogs, rabbits, hamsters. I then start to add the content into the actual page. My first link is home. I then click into the next cell and I put cats, then dogs, then rabbits, then hamsters. If we have a look at the code that's generated from this, we can see that there is an opening table tag and a matching closing table tag. There is a table row TR tag and a closing TR tag. And each cell is a table data or TD tag with a closing TD tag. Expressions has also added something called a span with the language around each word that we have written. We don't really need these, so I'm actually going to delete these from the code. You can leave yours if you want, but I think it makes the code less readable. Remove the opening and closing span tag from each of the cells. So that's from open span, and including language is English Great Britain, to the closing tag, and then the closing span tag with the backslash. Expressions is being a little helpful here in showing in yellow and red any mismatched tags, like this span tag here, that helps me to make sure everything is balanced up. And now we should make sure that we save again, File, Save All, to update our template.